Hi everybody, Chuck White with PHCC. The federal government has issued some guidance on the Paycheck Protection Program Flexibility Act. There has been a little bit of confusion and concern as to how this is going to change the terms of the loan. Here's a kind of a quick hitter on several of the important concepts. The loan terms previously were 2 years. The Flexibility Act makes those terms 5 years for loans issued after June 5, 2020. If you have a loan prior to 6/5, you may negotiate with your lender for longer terms. It does not automatically happen. The forgiveness period previously was 8 weeks, now is 24 weeks for all loans, or it ends on 12/31 of 2020. If you have a pre-June 5 loan, you may still elect to maintain the 8-week period if that's beneficial to you. As far as forgiveness goes, there's a form you will submit to start the forgiveness process. You submit the form within 10 months of the end of the covered period. That would be the 24 or the 8 weeks, within 10 months. If you do not submit the form within that 10 months, you will not get forgiveness on the loan. Payments would start on any unforgiven balances on or after the actual forgiveness amount is reimbursed to the lender. So once the lender has received the amount of forgiveness paid to them, that's when your payments would start. There was concern that moving to a 60% of payroll costs, loosening up and helping cover some overheads with 40% of this loan might make loans unforgiven if you don't hit the 60%. That is not the case. SBA has interpreted the guidance to be consistent with the original Paycheck Protection Program, which did offer a pro rata adjustment if you did not hit the threshold number. So if you do not hit the 60%, you will still receive a prorated amount, but it is best if you try to hit that amount. Their example is if you have a $100,000 loan and you only spend $54,000 on payroll costs, their calculation would be taking the $54,000 you spent, dividing it by 0.6, which is 60%, and that gives you $90,000 of a total forgivable loan. So of that original $100,000, $90,000 would be forgiven. You would have a $10,000 balance. Those are really the high points to be helpful. If you have a Paycheck Protection Program loan, please take some time to consult with your experts. If you have any questions, PHCC has other information available on the recovery website. Please take a chance, and if you get a chance, take a look at the information that is posted on the website. Thanks for listening today. Please stay safe.